So welcome back guys. In our previous video we have seen how to set a target when you have entered into a positional trade in an intraday scenario. In today's video I'm gonna talking about how to decide the entry point. Yes, you have heard it right. How to decide the entry point. It means when to enter into a trade. So without a further ado, let's get started. So friends, I'm recording this video in the evening when all my trades are over. So basically I'm sharing my story with you. What I've done is I've chosen this stock Tata Steel, and a very bullish move, upward rally has come, and already it has made a 356 level. It started from 345 level. So somehow I could not grab this opportunity and I missed this deal. In this situation, what to do now? So from the menu button I have searched here RSI. So I'm using this study which is called RSI. So this is a very basic tool again, and it's called Relative Strength Index, which helps you to identify overbought and oversold position. So since I am doing this for the intraday purpose, so I'm customizing through clicking on the settings, okay, and reducing its period from 14 to 8, and the overbought and oversold percentage from 80 to 70, and increasing this oversold percentage from 20 to 30. Done. Here we go. So as you can see, here is the customized RSI chart. Okay, so the points where the levels are crossed, this point, this point, and these points, okay, are overbought and oversold scenario. So this is the overbought level and this is oversold level. So when it crosses again, you are required to take sell position. Yes, you heard it right. You are required to take sell position. So when it was here, obviously I could not make a sell position right now, but when it starts falling, I can take sell position here. Okay, let me show you with the drawing tool. Alright, it's chosen. 355 was my stop loss, and I have taken a sell position at 354.7 here. Okay, and again a buy position at 348, this level. So this was my profit zone, margin of safety I can say, and this was my stop loss. As you can see, the number of quantity I traded is 250 in this Tata Steel, and from 354 was my sell level and 348 was my buy level. Although I missed the bigger opportunity which this stock has made in the morning, from this to this. Alright, so I hope this video was useful for you guys. This was all about how to use RSI as a technical analysis tool in an intraday scenario. And please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. I am Gaurav Bohra signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.